Hello and welcome to the Honourable Artillery Company headquarters here in the City of London. We're here today with 5 special Mercedes-Benz vehicles as we're capturing the content to launch our latest partnership with the London Concours. Hilton Moss are proud to present Mercedes-Benz Day at this year's London Concours. The Mercedes-Benz mark has always been a mainstay at Hilton Moss, and we've a relationship that spans the last 4 decades. That relationship is as strong as ever, and today we've gathered 5 special Mercedes-Benz vehicles, including our very own 300 SL Roadster, a recently sold right-hand drive 190 SL, a fantastic 600 Pullman, a Mercedes McLaren SLR 722, and at the very latest end of the scale, Mercedes G500. It's a team effort when it comes to organising a shoot of this size. We need to organise the logistics of 5 different vehicles to ensure that they all arrive at the same time, as well as 2 videographers and 1 photographer all working together in unison. The weather also plays a big part, and we've been very lucky with it on this mid-January day. So we're now on Lime Street, which is one of the locations that we've chosen for the shoot. We decided on this location because the buildings and the architecture is very similar to that of the SLR. It's very brutalist in its design, very clean, and it matches the car perfectly.
911 emergency response.
I'm delighted to be joined by Andrew Evans, Director of the London Concours. Now Andrew, we're really happy to be assisting this year at the London Concours. Can you tell us a bit more about the Mercedes-Benz Day?
Yeah, sure. Well, first off, thank you so much for supporting and helping to present what's going to be one of the most spectacular features of the show. So picture the scene, 80 Concours cars already assembled, the cars that are competing in the main event, and then overnight the Mercedes-Benz fairies sprinkle this magic dust and 50 additional cars with their owners come in to join the celebration on Wednesday the 4th of June. So if you're a Mercedes-Benz owner, particularly of a significant car, how magnificent is that as an opportunity to join us here at the HAC, this magnificent setting, and celebrate what has to be one of the best marks that we could during the course of the week at the Concours.
Yeah, excellent. Well, we can't wait. Obviously, we're here today capturing the content for the launch announcement, so thank you.
Yeah, it's a great pleasure. Thank you for your support again.
You're welcome.
It's been such a full day, and unfortunately it doesn't always go to plan. At our last location, the Four Seasons Hotel in Trinity Square, Netflix were already there filming their next show. Unfortunately, this meant we had to readjust and shoot in a different street, but we still managed to capture the shots that we needed. We'd like to say a massive thank you to the HAC and of course the London Concours team for enabling us to take this shoot on today, and we can't wait to see everybody at the event in London on Wednesday the 4th of June.